Hi, hello, good day. Welcome to Garound Gaming Channel. This is how to fix Google Authentication Error message. Good morning, everyone. What we have here right now, I encountered one of our clients having an issue with. So the client is trying to this application to her Google Workspace account. She had her authorization error, so it's having a hard time to on how to fix this. So what I did, go into your Google admin panel. So first, make sure that you have access to your admin panel. By the way, to access to your admin panel, just open your email and then click on apps and then scroll down. Look on here, you can see admin. So just click on admin, then you'll be routed to a page where you need to sign in. So just enter the password and all that. Sure, sign in the admin panel or the admin console. All you need to do, go to security, go to access and data control, go to API control. Then once you're here, click that one. Then once you're here in the app access control, to click on manage third-party application, click on this one. So after you click that, don't need to add app. So from here, you need to get the app name or client ID. So for you to be able to get the client ID, I have it here, step-by-step process, fix authentication error. Just it, I am an admin, click that one if you encounter that page. So here's the step, fix Google Authentication Error. So yep, the one that we just did here. So here's the client ID, all you need to do is copy and paste that one. Copy. This is for the web, as you can see right here, Motion web application. So that's for if you wanted to access your Motion using a website or web portal. And there's another one right here if you iOS app or Android. So all you need to do is same thing. Just copy this and then put it here, the admin panel, paste it here. After you paste in there, click search. And then there you go. As you can see, Motion is here. You just click select. Then click these two buttons right here and then hit select. So once you hit select, everything's good to go. So same goes with click on this link for Android and click for this link for iOS. It's a big help if you're having this kind of error. Fix Google Authentication error using Motion. Thank you and have a good day. That's all. Thanks. I hope you will subscribe. And for more videos having issues with your Google Workspace or any type of issue regarding your application, I can help you with that. Thanks. After all the troubleshooting steps that we have done, client responded that everything is all working now.